Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
You ever see some man out a road out there and they don't even have on a good shoes and neither a good belt in them trousers? And most men, you use all banana string and tie up them trousers. And why you think a lot of men do all them something there? Sometimes a man meet a woman and he want the woman to be happy. So instead of spending the money for himself, he spend the money on the woman just because he want the woman to be happy. And all he wants in return is just for you to love him back. But most of the time, it's not like that. Ladies, if you don't like the man, if you don't love the man, if you don't love the man, you leave him alone. Leave him alone. No bother with the nyam out thing business. When a man go the extreme, that he don't even can wear a good pair of shoes and he can't even put a proper belt in him trousers there. Just because you and your mixed multitude and him not have no mixed multitude with you, he not have no picnic with you, right? And he will take you up. He will take you up, and take care of you and your children them. And he can't wear a proper shoes and a proper hat and a proper belt and a proper nothing. And he will take care of you. And all that he asks of you, ask from you and the mixed multitude, is for you to love him and be respect to him. And most of the time, I know so I go. Most of the time, there's so uno woman, uno disrespect the man, just like how the picnic them disrespect the man and have no manners to them. And if it wasn't for the man there, so them can't go to school, them can't eat, them the bills them can't pay, nothing can be happen. Nothing good can come out of it, nothing can happen. Ladies, you don't know if you do it, right? You see one man coming out on life when time sperm donor them come and gone, right? And the man come and take up the responsibility and play the role of being a man in the house. Make the picking them have manners to the man. Make the picking them learn to respect the man. You love and respect the man for what the man do. Instead of looking elsewhere, where there's nowhere else there for you to look. Because you've been looking long time and all you find was just sperm donor for you and your mixed multitude them. And each time you go out there, so you're bringing another mixed multitude, right? Each time you go out there, so you're bringing somebody else come on top of the mixed multitude that you have. Ladies, I'm just like telling you, you no must stop it. Care for the man, love the man care for you. You go risk all himself. You go risk him life there. Go pan some job, because whoever look and see some man pan some job and won't ever thinking of themselves there. So I wonder if when him go home, the woman really love and respect the man because of the type of job where him do. Some man do some risky type of job, just to get the money to bring home, to make sure that the woman alright. There are number of time me I drive home and me see some man there so pan some place there, so I work and me I say to myself, my God, look how the man them risk them life, especially when the time cold, especially when the time hot. And I wonder if when them go home to a nice warm meal, a clean house, or whatever it is. Ladies, if you don't need the man and you not do all of them something there in return for the man, leave the man alone. Because the man go the extra mile there so to do something for you. And most of the time the man don't even have a child in the house. And him go the extra mile there so to make sure say you and your children them alright. And guess what? You don't love the man and the picking them not respect the man. And it's all coming from you, because guess what? If you put up your if you decide that you're gonna love and respect the man for where I do there, so and put down your foot there, so you're picking them there, so maybe change them ways, or else there so them get kicked out. Ladies, you know if you do better, stop nyam out man and stop talk about you not eat out man and all of them thing there. And love the man. If the man love you and take care of you, or risk all him life there so to make sure say you and your household is you and your household are happy. Ladies, just love somebody when them love you, because good man are really hard to find, and somehow lucky. Somehow are very, very, very lucky to find a good one. So I'm just like telling you, when time good men are rare. Good men are rare and they are hard to find. So when you find one, just take care of him the way how him take care of you. Okay? So stop use man, stop nyam out man. Them the days are supposed to be over and done. Love a man the way how him love you.
Viewers and subscribers, this person say it proper. This person really and truly just say it the proper way. See me, I don't know if there's any better way it could have been said. Yes, what I say? I don't think it is right for persons to use another person if they know that they do not want to to be in a committed relationship with the person if they do not love the person. You see me? I do not think persons should take money from another person and have the person thinking that them love the person when they do not love the person and taking the person's money. You see me? I wonder if you understand what I'm saying to you. You see me? I said to you, basically, some people in Jamaica might say, don't nyam out the man if you don't want the man. I don't nyam out the woman if you don't want the woman, and so forth. You see me? Because the reason why I say persons still not viewers and subscribers, even though this person explained the whole thing from a woman's angle, you see me? I'm looking at it from both angles, you understand? Because it's not only some women out there who will use men or take money from men and have the men or the man believing that they're in a relationship with that person when the person really and truly don't want the person. No, it's not only some women alone do these kind of things. You have men out there who use females as well. You see me? Maybe they take money from the females or maybe for other reasons. You understand? The point is, what I try to point out is that, you know, don't use a person if you do not want to be with the person. Meaning that don't make the person think that you're in a relationship with the person or you love the person and you're only doing these things so that you can get the person money or get something that you want from the person. You see what I said to you? Have you ever been on a construction site before? I have. You see me I say? And me see the working conditions. Me know the working conditions. You see me? The dust, the scaffolding, the heights. You understand? And you have many persons out there who will do these risky jobs to earn a money just to take care of the person that they love. You see? You understand what I'm saying to you? See? So, for a person to do something like this and, you know, to support someone or to take care of someone that they are in love with the person and think that the person loves them as well when it might not be so, I don't think it is right. You see what I said to you? And you have persons out there who will turn to violence if they find themselves in a situation like this where they are being used or being taken for granted. You see me? Or somebody and nyam them out as all Jamaicans might say. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, let me say this and I want to make it very clear. You see? I am not saying all of these things to encourage or support violence. You see me? I do not support no form of violence no matter what the situation is. You see me? I do not think violence is the answer. So I'm not saying all of these things to support no form of violence. You see me? Yes, you have persons out there who will turn to violence if they find themselves in a situation like this. You see me? I mean, the evidence is out there, you know. You see me? I saw a news reports about domestic violence and all these things. You understand me? You see it on the news. So, I want to say this, you see? I think that each and everyone should be able to realize when they're being taken for granted or being used, or as Jamaicans might say, when someone and nyam you out. You see me I said to you? And if anyone should ever find themselves in a situation where someone is using them or taking their money and make them believe that they're in a relationship with them or if the person loves them, if you find yourself in a situation like that where you're being used, walk away. Just walk away. You understand? Because there are persons out there who will take care of you as much as you take care of them. Remember that. You see? Look, in the video the person said good man is hard to find. Well, I look at that as well from both angles. You see me? I look at that as well from both angles. But you can let me know if I'm wrong or if I'm right, you know. You see me I say? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I saw this video on social media and, you know, some things have been said in this video. I found it to be interesting and I said, you know what, I'm going to bring this video to my viewers and subscribers so that they can hear some of the things that this person had said and then can let me know what they think about it. You see me, you can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that this person had said. in the video that I just presented to you. You see me? You can also let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that I said in this video as well. You see me? I said to you? Alright? I hope you found some of the things that this person has said to be interesting. You understand? Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.